When opening a multiplanar reconstruction, the viewport displays the coronal, sagittal, and axial planes of the reconstructed series, each identified by a different color. The overlaid axes in each panel use the same color coding to indicate where planes intersect. To hide or show these axes, click the Show Hide MPR Axes button on the toolbar. To change the orientation of a plane, place the mouse cursor over the corresponding axis and hold down the left mouse button to rotate it. By default, axes rotate independently. To keep the axes orthogonal and rotate them together, click the Orthogonal Axis button on the toolbar. To change the position of the intersecting planes, place the mouse cursor over the center of the axes and hold down the left mouse button to move it to a new position. The planes in the other two panels will adjust accordingly. To lock the center of the axes at the center of the panels, click the Follow Camera button on the toolbar. To change image planes in a specific panel, click the Interaction with 3D Model button on the toolbar. Then, hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse up or down to rotate the image plane around the x-axis, or left and right to rotate it around the y-axis. The Model Interaction button is also available in the context menu, which can be accessed by right-clicking the image. To rotate the image plane around the z-axis, right-click the image to access the context menu and select the Roll button. Then, drag the left mouse button over the image to rotate it. To flip an image plane horizontally, right-click the image to access the context menu and select the Flip button.